Ambush 920.
I can't focus. It's not focusing. Okay. I got him whenever.
Good?
Yep.
We got lined up, shot down, firing back, straight crowd. We're going out tonight to kick out every light, take anything we want, drink everything in sight. We're going till the world stops turning while we burn it to the ground at night.
Okay, we've been driving around all afternoon, haven't had much luck. We've seen some, a lot of them are on private. We got one last ditch effort here. We just drove past this field. There's a little hill between us and them. We're gonna crawl at them, see if we can make something happen before
There's about
dark.
15 of them out
Yeah.
there. 4 towns was fanned out.
Oh, dude, they're way out there.
Are they?
Not that far, but. See them? They're way out there.
They are way out there. Want to just walk at them with the decoy?
Maybe if we get around and get that in between us.
Yeah, let's go right a little bit. And then get those trees and kind of just walk at them with the trees.
We just kneel to them?
Yeah.
Go.
Huh?
We'll move around to the left. Yeah.
This is when I wish our decoy was bigger.
I know.
Like we had one of those ones that had a grip on it and you could just crouch right behind it.
Those ones are getting around the left.
See that?
Oh. Oh.
What? They're moving right. I think we just crawl towards those tall trees.
Oh, the ones that are right behind it.
Yeah. Because those ones that were towards the left are, I can't see them anymore.
Yeah, they went this way. Ow, big rock.
Ow!
If we could get there.
You might have to hold that decoy a hair lower.
Lower?
Yeah. Yeah, just hold it right there. Yeah, if we can get there. This would be an all-timer.
Yeah.
That one on the right side is the one by itself.
Uh-huh.
He broke off.
Oh yeah, look at it. He just fanned.
Uh-huh.
There's 2 of them.
He's facing us.
Hey.
He's walking this way. He's got a fucking swinger of a beard.
Really?
You better get your gun on your right side just in case.
Oh yeah, dude, he's coming. Cole, he's coming.
He's got a beautiful fan.
Oh, there's a bunch of turkeys coming this way.
I see that. Yeah, if you get in that field, it's done.
He's walking at us. Yep, here he comes, dude. He's He's working around that cattails. See him?
Yeah.
I'll just go up a little bit. Oh, they're all coming back this way.
Where's he?
He's just on the other side of them cattails. He's still walking towards us,
Okay.
but he's walking like straight towards us. Now I can't see him behind there. I think I'm gonna do this.
You're just gonna crawl like that?
Yep. Come through that grass. There's more toms coming this way. Okay.
If you,
I might get up here.
you?
Yeah.
I just don't know where I should go. Like, I want to be high, but there's more grass to the right, so I can't see through it.
Just follow me. I'll take you right to this tree.
Okay.
Just stay way low.
Way low?
Oh, he's here, he's here, he's here, he's here, he's here. He's here. He's right in front of us, folks. He's in our field.
Just lay down. Just lay down.
He's running.
I see him. Just get that decoy to the right a hair.
Are you good? You good?
Yep.
Right shoulder. He's running. Ambush 920.
I can't focus. It's not focusing. Okay. I got him whenever.
Good?
Yep.
Yeah, dude! Come on! Yeah! Yeah, give me some, boy! Ugh. Come in here. I couldn't let him get no more closer. Talk about bizarre.
That. I apologize for no good footage up until the last second, but I had this tall grass in front of me and I could not see him through. I couldn't get the camera to focus through that grass. I had my hat on the top of the camera to not let the rain on it.
In the rain, son. In the rain and snow and cold. Oh.
I see a double beard.
No, you don't.
I do.
No, you don't. Oh my God, we blew his head apart. Oh yeah, dude, there is. Yeah. Woohoo! Do it. Oh yeah, dude. Look at them little stublets. You done? Ambush 920, baby. Turkey 2023. Dude,
His head is.
we blew his head off. Oh my God.
I've never seen something like that. Okay, so all these turkeys were out on this hill in the middle of this field, and we came from over there
By that building.
by that building, and I don't know if you can see it in the camera. Yeah, you can. That little crawl trail right there, we crawled on our hands and knees about 150 yards through that field, got up to this gap in the wood line, and put our tom decoy in it here.
Oh, it's just leaking.
What his head. I don't know if we can show it on YouTube.
Rated R.
Nah, I don't know if we can show that on YouTube, but that's a hole in the top of his head that I've never quite seen before with the turkey. But yeah, we crawled up here, and then this one broke off from the group, and he was on the far right side, kind of by the woods. He came straight through these cattails. He went right through all the water and everything. We thought he was going to come around this point, but he came straight through it.
Yeah,
And then once he cleared him, he was on a run right to us, and we shot him at about 10 yards.
10 yards, baby! Yeah! That is a big one, dude. That is sweet.
Less than ideal conditions.
Less than ideal. It's out, dude. Nice work. Oh.
That decoy's fan is getting a little beat up.
Oh shit, there goes my hat.
So from Turkey's perspective, that's Marcus laying there, and I was just over his right shoulder right there. So we were pretty well hidden there.
How's it look?
Looks pretty good. That little hill that we were on hit us nice.
Yeah?
All you can see is the top of your head and the gun barrel.
I'm fired up now. I don't feel bad for missing this morning. 2 beards on there.
That's a
You bet,
straight
dude.
double bearder.
I don't got much else to say.
No.
That was
So
textbook.
let's get back to the truck.
Yeah, let's go home. Okay, your
It's
turn.
cold.
Your turn. That's a big beard too.
Mm-hmm.
He's a big turkey. He looked really nice when he was getting close.
Doing the crawl. We crawled on our hands and knees all the way up to that gap on that little tree.
I'm so fired up. What an ugly, ugly day. Ugly
Very,
day.
very ugly day.
Cole's favorite part.
I hate it.
Here you go. Here, I'll crack yours. You might as well just set it on there.
I'll scratch the car.
Oh, here. You want me to do mine? Then you do you.
No, we'll go
Okay,
at the same
good.
time. Hold on. There you go.
Perfect. Give me your foot.
I'm gonna throw up.
First one of the year for me. Number 3 down for the Ambush 920 boys. Is it your first time?
No, it's not.
Get used to this. We're gonna be doing it a lot.
I know.
Nice job.
There's stuff in there still. Oh.
Oh. What? Why are you hiding around the corner?
I'm not hiding.
That's all. We'll see you on the next one. A lot of spring left.